Hi, I'm Kerri from Ashcombe, and today we're planting a holiday indoor centerpiece. This holiday centerpiece will be great for Christmas, but what's nice about it is that you can change it out after the holidays and it'll last you all through the winter. For the holidays, I chose a nice shiny container, and it's large enough to accommodate these plants for several months through the winter, so you won't have to worry about repotting them anytime soon. First, we're gonna fill our container with some soil along the bottom. I do have an empty pot in the middle of the container, and this is where we're gonna change our plants seasonally. Next, I'm gonna choose plants that are compatible together. These are all low to medium light plants. They all have similar watering requirements, which is important. First, I have a polka dot plant, which adds some nice color for the holidays. I like the red and white together. This is a little fern, add some height. Spider plant, really easy to care for. And lastly, some ivy. This will hang over and give it a little length. And of course, you just want to go back in with your soil and fill in any holes in between the plants. Next, we have that hole in the middle, and I'm gonna leave the pot in there. And that way it's really easy to put in my holiday plant, a nice red poinsettia. It sits right in there. You can water the poinsettia separately. If the rest of the plants need more or less water, then you can water that one by itself. And after the holidays, if you're done with your poinsettia, it's easy enough to take out. And you could put in a cyclamen. This would be great for Valentine's Day. Or even a blooming kalanchoe would be nice for the winter months. This will be great in a bright location, some direct sun during the winter. Water it well. It doesn't have drainage on the bottom, so you do want to make sure that you're not overwatering it, but just check on it and make sure you're watering it when it's dry. Join me next week for more gardening tips from Ashcombe.